Happy day, my dear kids. Today we are going to see chapter 3 Numbers in Roman numerals. Before going to see about Roman numerals, we have to see cardinal numbers. What is cardinal numbers? We have learned 1 to 3 up to 100 already. That is called cardinal numbers. Now we are going to see Roman numerals for the given cardinal numbers. Look at this chart. Here, the cardinal numbers from 1 to 100 is written in Roman numerals form. Look at the number from 1 to 12. The numbers should be written in this order. Each cardinal number should be written in Roman numerals as like this. You should concentrate on each and every number to write in Roman numeral form. Let me see the PEP activity which is given here. Look at the clocks in figure 16 and 17. In figure 16, clock numbers are given in this order. That is, in figure 16, all the numbers are given in Roman numerals. In figure 17, all the numbers are given in cardinal number form. How is the clock in figure 16 different from the clock in figure 17? As I said already, in figure 16, all the numbers are given as Roman numerals. But in figure 17, all the numbers are given as cardinal numbers. Have you seen a clock like the one in figure 16 before? Where? For this question, you have to think and answer, right? The symbols in the clock in figure 16 are known as Roman numerals. Roman numerals originated in ancient Rome. Where it was originated? Ancient Rome. When Romans required numbers for trading and business, they used letters to denote numbers. Why Roman numerals are formed? Because Romans need numbers for trading and business. So they used letters to denote numbers. Look at the table. Here, cardinal numbers are represented as Roman numerals. Roman people used letter I for number 1, V for number 5. They used letter X for number 10. They used letter L for number 50. They used letter C for number 100. They used letter D for number 500. They used letter M for number 1000. These are the most important Roman numerals. We have to use this for all the remaining numbers also. For this, we have to follow few rules to write the numbers from 1 to 1000. Look at the rules, children. The letters can be repeated only 3 times. For example, for the number 3, I letter is used 3 times only, not more than 3 times. As like that, for 30, X is used for 3 times, not more than 3 times. Second rule is V cannot be repeated. We should not use letter V as Roman numeral for more than one time. Look at the third rule, children. If a letter is placed after a bigger value, then we have to add it, which means letter V is used for number 6, so we have to add I after V. Here I is added to V, which means that 1 is added to 5. Fourth rule, if a letter is placed before a bigger value, then we have to subtract it, which means if we are going to write number 9, use the letter X which represents 10, but we need 9, so we have to subtract 1 from 10. So we have to include I before the symbol X. So we will get the value as 9. Next, fifth rule, V cannot be subtracted from any numeral. Sixth rule, only I can be subtracted from V and X. Therefore, we have to follow 6 rules to write Roman numerals. Roman numerals provide another way of representing numbers. What is mean by numeral? A numeral is a symbol used to represent a number. Next, only the letters I, X, C, M can be repeated. V, L and D cannot be repeated. Children, see here. Practice questions are given. You have to complete the table with the respective Roman numeral. Look at here. As I have given chart for you for Roman numerals, you have to look the chart carefully and you have to write the Roman numerals from 1 to 10 correctly. I repeat, you have to use the chart to write the correct answer as it is given in the video. Next, you have to do this as a homework which is in companion book. Match the Roman numerals with their corresponding numbers. Roman numerals and numbers are given. You have to match it correctly. Okay, children? While writing your homework, you have to follow the 6 rules to write Roman numerals. Thank you, my dear kids.